Good morning, everybody. We got the CPI report and we went up and down. So futures are flat for now. We'll see what's going to happen at open. So again, have to be ready for both scenario. Maybe sell off a little bit, not expecting a major one. Maybe jump up. We'll see. Um, yes, as I mentioned yesterday, it's a future contracts on March, and that's why this big gap up since yesterday, and made a daily MACD golden cross on the daily MACD's golden cross, and weekly looking very bullish. But pre-market right now, we had a jump up, and the 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward. 4 hour, we got dark blue bar, and NQ. Same thing, daily MACD golden cross, weekly same. Daily MACD is golden cross because of this big jump up of the future contracts. And but pre-market right now, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward, and 4 hour we got dark blue bar. Dow Jones hit a new all-time high and the futures, but is pulling back from there. Not Dow Jones, but Dow Jones futures because it's future contracts. RUT. There is still bullish on daily and weekly. TNX get a little bit jump up off of 4168 level. Daily MACD is close to having a golden cross. All about tomorrow. What Powell is gonna say. If there is gonna be a rate increase, most likely there's nothing gonna be. But it's all about Powell comments tomorrow, 2 p.m. And also we have PPI in the morning. And also on top of everything, we have Friday OPEX day, which is a huge monthly option expiration. Wicks 1% lower. Daily MACD is still golden cross, but pre-market looking weak. And BTC got a jump up. Last night it hit 40K almost. It was interesting actually. So last 2 nights ago, it went down to near 40K. It did some bounce up, and yesterday midday during market hour, it made almost a new low. Yes, it made a new low, and then it bounced up. So far, you have to wait until the next 4 hour golden cross. Once that happens, then we can talk about a bounce up. Otherwise, right now it's just gonna be a little bit up and down. Apple pre-market right now. Let me fix this one. Seeing some puts coming in there, 192.25, 191.7, those are the support. Yesterday was very interesting. Before market open, few minutes before market open, all the techs start falling. But QQQ start jumping, and when it opened, it jumped, continue going higher. And that's a sign that, there is a rebalancing or something. The indexes or the big players are selling, and, doing a transfer, doing a rotation to other names. That's why other names were jumping and semis were jumping. But major techs, major giant techs, they were pulling back at the open. And right now, Apple, it's all about 191.7 and 194. Need to watch these two levels. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move. Otherwise, it's going to be yo-yo in between. Breaks above 194, we're looking at 194.71, 195, 196.96. Goes below 191, next supports are 190, 188, 186. Amazon, another name that was weak yesterday at open, 145.71. That's a key level. Anytime breaks can go retest these levels. 144, 143.12. Pre-market right now looking a little bit weak, but again mixed signal. So you have to see opening action. If it jumps up, 146, 148. Nvidia, it's in general is weak. As I mentioned, we have the red bars on the TTM squeeze. Until we don't have a yellow bar, is still weakness can continue. Many times in the past week, 461 was a key level, and 461.09, if you can hold it, 456.96 is the next key level. If at any time this week or any time next 2-3 weeks 456 breaks, can dive down to 447. But many times it bounced off 456, 461, and then it run up higher to 466, and next major is 474. So watch out today again. If you see 515 MACD golden cross, can run up again. But if it breaks 461, 456 and lower can come. AVGO, what a monster. It was just crazy. Was it crazy on Friday? But it was even crazier yesterday. As soon as it opens, in this bull market, anytime you see a name opens, I mean, it was bullish the day before and it opens and jumps, that means it's going to have another continued on the stuff. We had Pan W example, you had AMD example, you had AVGO yesterday example. So we'll see what's the next example. Anyhow, AVGO 1040 support right now pre-market 1 hour is dead crossing, so showing some weakness. 1024, 1012, 34, those are the support. If it can hold it, can go back to 994. But again, the 4 hour is still very bullish. Daily MACD is golden cross and weekly bullish. So at some point, if it bounces up 1040, 97, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, we're looking at 1055, 1078, 1101, 55. Baba, nothing exciting is still. Daily, weekly is still bearish. It's trying every day to jump up, but it's making a new low and then jump up. So this one is just continue going lower. Netflix showing a little bit of strength pre-market. Actually, yesterday was very interesting. It jumped up, went to 471 level, but it failed and pulled back into the close. But pre-market right now showing a little bit of strength compared to other names, not pulling back. And 465.28, that's a key level you want to watch. Passes that one, we can run up again to 467, 471.68. Very bullish on 515. If 30 MACD golden cross, can have a bigger run up at open. 1 hour, if 1 hour golden crosses, can go even crazier higher. Still very bullish on the 4 hour, but again, there's a mixed signal on daily. We got red bars and the TTM squeeze. We're getting into the holiday season, so maybe more people sign up for Netflix. So that's the next catalyst for there. Meta again was a week yesterday. It was some sell-off at open, but then it recovered some midday. Right now is opening above 324. If 324.36 can hold it, again 320, 317, 29 supports. If it goes above 327.06, then it can run up to 331, 335. Tesla is just stuck. Tesla, I'll be honest with you, 237.9 and 240.297. It's just up and down. Until it breaks either one, it's just gonna be up and down and premium killing both sides. 237.9 breaks anytime, 235, 233, 232.15. If it goes above 242, next major level to watch is 246.1. Need to break 246.1. It was a big resistance last few weeks. If it does break that one, then it can get very interesting. But as I mentioned, it's just in a yo-yo range right now. 4 hours downward. MACD not clear signal, so we'll see. It's just a range play for now. Microsoft. Yeah, if you have any symbol interested, let me know in the comments. Microsoft pre-market right now 515.30 is downward. If 1 hour MACD dead crosses and passes 369.89, is gonna get ugly. 368, 366, 365.29 supports. And but if it goes above 379, then it can run up to 373, 375. But overall, Microsoft is weakening. Google lost the lawsuit last night to I think it was Epic or EA, I'm not sure. Anyhow, that's why it's gapping down 2 points, 1 point. So 130, 182. If it can hold it, retest of 130. If 130 breaks, then we're looking for 128, 127. Overall, weekly and daily and 4 hour is bearish still on the TTM squeeze and MACD. But it's interesting, weekly we got a blue bar. So it's possible to touch down any of these levels and have a monster jump up. So just keep that in mind. Wait for the next 1 hour, 4 hour golden cross. Then that could be a sign for run up. AMD showing some weaknesses. Finally 4 hour. This is something interesting. Keep this in mind. Anytime you see a name run up crazy on news or earning or event or whatever, it can go on until you see 4 hour dark blue bar. But then if the 4 hour MACD dead crosses, means the run up, that run up phase is over. And right now AMD we got dark blue bar, so it seems like it's right now is cooling down unless we do break 134.41. If that one breaks, we're looking at 135.8, 137.58. And right now pre-market 515.30, 1 hour is downward. If 130, 124 breaks, again retest of lower level again, 129.28, 127.02. Boeing, it was just a monster after that news came last week and jump up and it's non-stop going. It's all about 250. That's a mental level. If 250 breaks, then we're looking for next major level 255 and can go to 264, 275. Again, 4-hour MACD is curving down a little bit, but we still don't have dark blue bar, so it does still have chance to run up. So if you see a jump up at open, 255 easy come, and if it continues the next few weeks, 264, 275, 78 is the next target. Very bullish on daily and weekly. And keep in mind, Boeing quarterly MACD is curving up, and if that one golden cross, go look at the chart, you will see it's crazy if that one confirms. SPY opening flat right now, but it went up and down, so it's all about two levels to watch. Right now is stuck in 461.99, so two key levels to watch: 461.09 and 463.13. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move. Otherwise it's just gonna be a yo-yo roller coaster up and down today, and tomorrow it's all up to PPI and FOMC. 463 breaks, we're gonna run up to the higher level. 467 is the next major level. Below 461, 459, 457, 78 is the next support there. QQQ, it's opening below 396.46, so two key levels to watch is 396.46 and 394.89. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move. What else you got on the major names? PNW hitting 300, new all-time high. Need to break 306 to get interesting. Pre-market not a special signal, a special direction, but it make the new high, so we'll see. If it goes below 297.25, then it can go back to 293, 290. But it's interesting, if it passed 302 at open, you see a jump and pass 302, it can run to 306. 306 passes, those are the next level. Coin, still weakness on the BTC, some bounce up there since yesterday. Snow was strong yesterday too, 194, 196.47. Those are the next key level. If you see a jump up, pre-market not as strong enough. Lulu was interesting yesterday too. 504 is a key. If it passes that one, 509, 513. LLY got a dump yesterday, then it bounced up big, so keep an eye on that one. What else? MDB was very interesting at open yesterday. It's all about 401.42. If you can get over there, we're looking for 406, 410, 413. ZS was interesting too. 208, 210, 22, those are the next levels. If it jumps up at open, CRWD, it's opening around 247. If it jumps up past 250, 251.99 and 258, those are the next major. LRCX, it's not weakening as our other semis, but if it can hold 726, it can retest 721, 718 again. What else you got here? Etsy was very strong yesterday. ORCL earning market didn't like it. If it can hold 103.85, we're looking at 98.38 is the next level there. Lift is just non-stop, keep going up. This one is getting interesting, so if it gets more squeezy, 16.44 and 20.91, those are the next major level. Adobe got an upgrade, but market futures are weak, so right now it's pulling back. New all-time high hit pre-market. If it passes that one, I gotta get the levels there. Airbnb got a downgrade, so 138.48, that if you can hold it, 137, 135, 134.64. CVNA, somebody asked. Carvana, so daily, weekly looking bullish on the stochastic fast, but it's curving down a little bit. Daily is still very bullish. Pre-market right now, 15:31 hour is downward, so it's all about 41.17. And the high of last week, I think seems like it was around 42 something. If it does break those, so watch 41.17. If it passes that one, we're looking at 42.04, 43.63. If 43.63 passes, it squeeze up to 45, 47.6. Again, 4 hour is kind of flat for now, so probably some up and down. Wait for a strong breakout, then it can pass 43, it can squeeze up to 47. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a lovely day.